Fatherhood can be a wonderful experience, but there can be legal issues fathers face, especially when not married to the child's mother. I'm going to be answering some of the most asked questions fathers have about legal rights and responsibilities. For example, what is child abuse or neglect? Child abuse and child neglect are words that may have different meanings for each of us, many times based on our own childhood experiences. But legally speaking, what is child abuse or neglect as defined by the law? Child abuse happens when a person causes or lets another person cause mental, physical, or sexual harm to a child. Child neglect occurs when a child is not given some necessity of life, such as food, clothes, education, medical care, or supervision, and not providing that causes harm or places the child at a substantial risk of harm or injury. Another form of abuse or neglect is contributing to the delinquency of a child. In other words, you cannot contribute to a child committing a crime, such as drinking alcohol, stealing, or selling drugs. And yes, you can spank your child, but it can be considered physical abuse if it causes a lasting injury to a bodily organ, and fellas, that includes the skin. How do you handle and/or report a suspicion of abuse or neglect? If you believe your child is a victim of abuse or neglect, you should contact the South Carolina Department of Social Services 24-hour hotline at 1-888-227-3487. Submit a report through the DSS website or contact law enforcement. When you make a report through DSS, you can ask to be contacted with the outcome of the investigation. While DSS cannot provide detailed information about the investigation, they should confirm whether the case was indicated for child abuse or neglect or unfounded. For more information about abuse and neglect, or to make a report, please visit the DSS website at this address.